Assalamualaikum, Sumaira, Shameem, lecture chemistry at Fort Road, Rawalpindi. I'm here with the lectures of week 1. It's a lecture 1. Topics that I'm going to cover in this lecture is introduction to the chemistry and branches of chemistry. Before I start with the chemistry, first we will discuss what the science is. You students already studied science at your previous levels, so you can know it, the study of structure and behavior of physical and natural world by observation and experiment. So science is the knowledge that is based on observation and experimentation. First you observe thing and performed experiment and then conclude the results. It is the knowledge of science. Science, a broad division divided into different sections that are listed over here: chemistry, physics, biology, computer science, mathematics. These levels are simply divided according to your grade. Chemistry as a vast subject, not studied as a whole single. It must be divided into different sections, different branches. Over here, the main 8 classes, the main 8 branches in which chemistry is divided are listed over here, starting with the first one, like it's physical chemistry, organic, inorganic chemistry, biochemistry, industrial chemistry, nuclear chemistry, next one environmental chemistry, and the last analytical chemistry. Now begin with our subject, that is the chemistry. So defined as the science that examines the material of the universe and changes that these materials undergo. Now that matter could be in different physical forms. It could be solid, liquid, gas, and plasma. So all different forms of the science are being discussed over here. And these material undergo what changes? Changes either in the physical form or in a chemical change. So both are discussed over in the subject of chemistry. Now the first one, physical chemistry. As the name indicates, that something related to the physical change, like the change that occurs in the structure. So over here we will discuss the changes of the matter that are related to the materials physical change. It could be in a color change, it could be a size, it could be a shape. So the structural changes, we will discuss the laws and theories, principles that lead to the change in the structure of a matter. It is discussed in physical chemistry. Can you guess an example related to physical chemistry? Okay, let's the example. Ice floats on the surface of water. It's a density difference, so it's a physical chemistry. Organic chemistry. The word organic is basically leads toward the living content. And the living content, the major component, the major element is carbon. So basically organic chemistry, we discuss those compounds that are carbon containing. Example of organic chemistry. Can you guess an example? Organic chemistry, definitely the study of organic compounds. They are also known as hydrocarbons. Why? Because all the organic compounds, the basic skeleton is made up of carbon and hydrogen. So when we study like the one of the organic compound, you are familiar with the natural gas. One of the component, methane, CH4. So it is an organic compound. Its study will be organic chemistry. Inorganic chemistry. The word in means without. So inorganic means without organic. So other than organic content, other than the organic compounds, all other are discussed in the inorganic chemistry. What others? Means like other elements, their compounds, their binary compounds, or their different ionic covalent compounds, but they must not be of carbon. Example of inorganic chemistry. So basically हाइड्रोकार्बन्स के अलावा बाकी सारी स्टडी सब एलिमेंट्स की उनके कंपाउंड्स की स्टडी विल बी इंक्लूडेड इन इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री. Biochemistry, as the name indicates, bio means life and the chemistry means the chemical physical changes. So in this branch of chemistry we will discuss all those physical and chemical changes that are linked with the living organisms. Example of biochemistry. Plants prepare food through a process of photosynthesis. One of the living organism preparing food through a process. So study linked with the living organism. It will be under the heading of biochemistry. Industrial chemistry. In this branch, we discuss about the methods and the technologies for the large-scale production of useful substances. Industrial chemistry आपको ये बताया जाएगा कि how the use of technology and the methods जिससे आप commercially on a larger scale chemicals को produce करते हैं. Commercially, on a large scale, sulfuric acid is prepared through a contact process. Contact process, one of the industrial process where the sulfuric acid, king of chemical, is prepared. So the statement is under the heading of industrial chemistry. न्यूक्लियर केमिस्ट्री. केमिस्ट्री की ये वो ब्रांच है जिसमें हम डिस्कस करते हैं द चेंजेस दैट अकर विद इन द न्यूक्लियाई, एक सिंगल एटॉमिक लेवल पर और विद इन द न्यूक्लियस मीन्स दीज चेंजेस आर रिलेटेड टू द फंडामेंटल पार्टिकल्स ऑफ एन एटम, जैसे प्रोटॉन, इलेक्ट्रॉन, न्यूट्रॉन, इनके जो चेंजेस हैं, इनके जो रिएक्शंस हैं, दैट आर अंडर द हेडिंग ऑफ न्यूक्लियर केमिस्ट्री. न्यूट्रॉन्स are used in nuclear fission reactions and a large amount of energy is produced. न्यूक्लियर रिएक्शन में न्यूट्रॉन बम्बार्ड किया जाता है टुवर्ड्स द एटॉमिक न्यूक्लियर, एज अ रिजल्ट एक एक्सप्लोसिव रिएक्शन होता है. इट इज लिंक्ड टू द न्यूक्लियर केमिस्ट्री. एनवायरमेंटल केमिस्ट्री. एनवायरमेंटल केमिस्ट्री में केमिकल्स और उनका रिलेशन टू द इन्वायरमेंट. नाउ दैट रिलेशन टुवर्ड्स द इन्वायरमेंट जरूरी नहीं कि वो लिविंग इन्वायरमेंट के साथ हो, वो एबायोटिक फैक्टर्स के साथ भी हो सकता है. आपकी पूरी इन्वायरमेंट जो कि लिविंग और नॉन लिविंग का मिक्सचर है, इनके साथ किसी भी केमिकल का इंटरेक्शन इन्वायरमेंटल केमिस्ट्री कहलाएगा. जनरली दैट इंटरेक्शन जो हम पढ़ते हैं विद द इन्वायरमेंट, वो टॉक्सिक इफेक्ट्स पढ़ते हैं. बेसिकली टॉक्सिक, हार्मफुल इफेक्ट, एडवर्स इफेक्ट ऑन द इन्वायरमेंट बाय द केमिकल्स, वो आपका कहलाता है इन्वायरमेंटल केमिस्ट्री. इन्वायरमेंटल केमिस्ट्री having the toxic, harmful effects of chemicals on the environment. Can you have an example? Yes, acid rain. Acid rain, the rain which is acidic in nature, having the pH in acidic region, has the harmful effect on the environment, buildings, stones, living content. So it's under the heading of environmental chemistry. Analytical chemistry, it is the analysis. केमिस्ट्री दैट इज़ बेस्ड ऑन एनालिसिस. यहाँ डिफरेंट मेथड्स, डिफरेंट टेक्नोलॉजीज़ जो कि हम किसी भी मटेरियल की कंपोजिशन को पढ़ने के लिए लेते हैं. जैसे आपने किसी का मेल्टिंग पॉइंट आइडेंटिफाई करना, बॉइलिंग पॉइंट आइडेंटिफाई करना. सो एग्जामिनेशन के लिए सब्सटेंस की परसेंटेज कंपोजिशन के लिए जो आप टेक्नोलॉजी यूज़ करेंगे, मेथड्स यूज़ करेंगे, दैट टेक्निक्स, मेथड्स, steps is known as analytical chemistry. Analysis, analytical techniques, instruments, use of instrument. So calorimeter is used to measure the heat content released by a reaction. कोई reaction होता है, कितनी amount में heat generate होगी, it is measured by an instrument which is calorimeter. So the statement will be under the heading of analytical chemistry. Here a review of all the definitions of branches that we yet discussed right now. यहाँ से आप इसको कॉपी कर सकते हैं. ये वन ऑफ द क्वेश्चन है ऑफ योर वीक 1 असाइनमेंट कि डिफाइन द ब्रांचेस ऑफ केमिस्ट्री, लिस्ट द ब्रांचेस ऑफ केमिस्ट्री. सो यहाँ से इजीली आप पिक्चर आउट कर सकते हैं द डेफिनेशन ऑफ केमिस्ट्री एज वेल एज ब्रांचेस ऑफ केमिस्ट्री. एसिटिक एसिड. What is acetic acid? It's an organic acid and the formula is CH3COOH. कार्बन, हाइड्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन का मिक्सचर है ये. और डेली लाइफ रूटीन में आप कहाँ यूज करते हैं? Yes, one of the ingredient present in your kitchen, vinegar. It's a 5% acetic acid in nature. इसी की एग्जांपल कोट करते हुए यहाँ आपको डिफरेंशिएट करवाया जा रहा है बिटवीन द ब्रांचेस ऑफ केमिस्ट्री. ये पेज आपको कवर अप कराएगा कि हाउ टू डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन द ब्रांचेस ऑफ केमिस्ट्री. अच्छा, हमने बात की एसिटिक एसिड की. As this compound is containing carbon, so the study of this compound will be organic chemistry. If we discuss about the physical state of it, that vinegar, acetic acid exists in liquid state at room temperature, इसकी physical state है, phenomena है, the branch will be physical chemistry. जब हम कार्बन के अलावा हाइड्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन को डिस्कस करेंगे, the branch will be inorganic chemistry. Its reaction within the body, living content, biochemistry. इंडस्ट्रियल लेवल पर इसको लार्ज स्केल में बनाने के लिए क्या कहलाएंगे? इंडस्ट्रियल केमिस्ट्री. इसके रेडियो एक्टिव रिएक्शंस Radiations produced by radiation effect on this compound. आप न्यूट्रॉन बम्बार्ड करते हैं एसिटिक एसिड पर, what will be the result? So nuclear chemistry, its effect on the environment. Either ये एसिड है तो क्या हार्मफुल है, माइनर है, माइल्ड है, causes any effects adverse, it will be environmental chemistry. To calculate its boiling point, to calculate its percentage composition, कि इसके अंदर कितनी अमाउंट में हाइड्रोजन है, कार्बन है, ऑक्सीजन है, वो कंपोजिशन कैलकुलेट करना, इट्स एनालिटिकल केमिस्ट्री.